Welcome back. Right now we are going to the second part of the video. Fine. In the first part we have seen how to create the table. This is the simulation of actual practical. Because Python you can install in your home, but to install the MySQL, it may happens you are facing the problem and it is not possible for you to install the things in your machine. Okay, somebody may able to do it, but it is not possible for everybody. I know that one. Lot of requirements are there. So if the practical will be there, then how you will do it? This is the simulation of that one, and from this one you are able to clear the things over there. Fine. Now in the first video we have seen that one, how to create a table and how to insert the values. But for this dialog box, the insert into operations is not clearly visible. So once again we will see the insert into. After that I have sent one question set to you. We will going to solve. That is a one type of practical questions. Okay, in the practical examination that type of questions can be given. So we are going to do the solve that one. First we will see the insertion of the data once again. Okay, so what will happen, which command we are going to use over here? We are going to use the insert into, then the table name. Fine. Then values. Fine. Values, then the first bracket. Okay, then the first value will be drinks code, and that is an integer one. For the integer we don't require the codes over there. Okay, so I am going to write the value 104, then the comma, then we start the double quotes. Okay, the name of the drink. Okay, the name of the drink. Okay, fine. Then price, I'm going to write it over there. Comma will be there. Price is 15. Okay, that is also an integer. And then calories, it is also an integer. Okay, fine. And then I am going to put this first brace close and the semicolon. Fine. Now I entered that one. Yes, the rows are cleared, the rows are affected, means the data has been inserted. Now if I want to see the all the data from the table, what I am going to do, I am going to write select asterisk from drink, semicolon. Fine. So what I am going to do, I am going to put the enter. So it will going to show me the all the tables. You are able to see this one. Okay, for these things, to see all the things over there, it is very important. Okay, these simulations you are able to see this one. Now the question paper I have sent you, we are going to do the solve of that one. Fine. To display name, the first question is to display name and drinks code of those drinks that have more than 120 calorie. Okay, so what will going to be happen, we are going to display the name of the drinks and the drinks code of those drinks that have more than 120 calorie. Fine. So for that, what we are going to do, select two fields are drinks name and the drinks code. Okay, so we are going to write drinks code and dname drinks code and dname. Then I have to write from, then the name of the table, soft drink. Then I have to write the where clause. Okay, where, then I have to write the field name, calories, greater than 1 to 0, then the semicolon. Okay, this is the answer of the first question. To display name and drinks code of those drinks that have more than 120 calories. Fine, I am going to give the enter. See this one. Okay, 103 and 104, they have calories of 140 and 140. This is the solve of the question number 1. Fine, now we are going to do the solve of the question number 2. What is the question number 2? To display the drinks code, name and calories of all drinks in descending order of calories. We know that one for showing the in a descending or ascending order, we are using the order by clause. Okay, order by clause. If it is an ascending order, automatically it is going to be displayed. Okay, and if it is an descending order, we have to write that one. Fine, so we are going to solve the question number 2. Okay, we are going to solve the question number 2. Okay, fine. So what we are going to do? Select, obviously we have to use select. Then what fields will be displayed? Drinks code, name and calories. Drinks code, name and calories. So drink code, comma, dname and calories. Calories. Fine, these are the fields. Now I have to write the from which table? Soft drinks. Fine, which table? Soft drinks. Soft drink. Now we have to write the order by clause. Order by what? Order by calories. Okay, order, then space, then by, then the name of the field according to which we are going to make it order by. In the order by, either it will be in the descending order or it will be in the ascending order. But one thing, in the table there will be no change. When it will display, the change will be over there only. In the queries, the change will be there. In the table there will be no change. Okay, order by the field name. Calories. Now what I have to write? In the descending order, DESC. Fine, semicolon, order by calories, descending order. Fine, I am giving the enter. See this one, 140, 140, 120, 120. This is the order by in the descending order according to the calories. Fine, now we are going to solve the question number 3. Now first we will see what is the question number 3. What is the question number 3? To display name and price of drinks that have price in the range of 12 to 18 and both 12 and 18 included. So what I have to do? I have to display name and price of drinks. Okay, name and price of drinks that have price in the range of 12 to 18. Fine. So first the select. Everywhere we are going to use the select. Select, dname, comma, price, where price between we have to use, because the two values are there. The range has been used over there. If the range has been used, you have to use the between. Fine. And between 12 and 18. Price between 12 and 18 means it will display the drinks name and the price whose price are in the range of 12 to 18. Okay, semicolon I have given. I am going to give the enter over there. Okay, So we have a mistake over there. See this one, D name. What happens? We write D name. Select D name. Okay, what we have done, we have done a mistake over there. I have not mentioned the name of the table over here. For that, it has not going to be shown to over there. Fine. So what I have done, I have done a mistake. What mistake? I have not used the name of the table. So what we are going to do, we are going to write it once again. Select D name, comma, price. Okay, price from soft drinks, soft DRINK, drink, soft drinks, soft drink, where soft drink where price between 12 and 18. Fine. So what we have written, select D name, comma, price from soft drink where price between 12 and 18. First, what we have done here we have not written the font. The table name has not been mentioned. For that, it is not working over there. Fine. I'm just entering over there. Now see this one. Okay, now see this one, the price whose the drinks whose price is between 12 to 18, that has been displayed over there. Fine, we have only one question left over here, that the last question. Okay, increase the price of all drinks in the given table by 10%. Okay, by 10%. Fine, so here to change in the table we have to use the modify. Okay, update. Okay, for modifying, what we are going to use, we are going to use the update command. Okay, so we are going to write update, name of the table, the same mistake we are not going to do once again, soft drink, update soft drink, then the set which field, price, fine, then the expression is equal to price plus asterisk price. Fine, so 10% we are going to increase over here. Update, table name, set, field name, then the expression we have written over there. Fine, now we are going to enter. See this one, it has been changed, but how you will understand things has been changed? Okay, we have to give a select asterisk. See that one, 140, 140, 120, 120 it is there, 120, 120, 140 is there. If I write select asterisk, you are able to see the changes over there. Okay, select asterisk from soft drinks, soft drink. If I run this one, you are able to see this one. See this one, all the things are going to be increased over there. Fine, all the things are going to be increased over there. The things are there. Fine, so this is the end of the video. Fine.